Welcome to this training video. In this session, we shall explain the process of updating the prices of Microsoft services using a platform. This process must be executed for the following services: legacy license-based services like Office 365 and Dynamics, and Azure reservations of legacy Azure subscriptions. The prices of the following services are retrieved automatically using Microsoft API calls, so you don't have to run the process for Azure services, Azure reservations that are applied to new Azure plans, new commerce experience licensed-based services, software subscriptions, and perpetual licenses. Please bear in mind that this process must run once per month in order to ensure that you always have up-to-date prices. Overall, the process is very simple. You will need initially to download the pricing spreadsheets from the Microsoft Partner Center. Then upload those files to the corresponding price import tool that we have in our platform. And then of course execute the update for the products in your BSS to be updated with the new sell and cost prices for both monthly and annual billing cycles. First, you need to log into your Partner Center, and by going to the pricing option, you can find the spreadsheet files that Microsoft updates each month with the prices. The files that you need are, for the legacy, license-based services, such as Office 365 and Dynamics, is this file. For Microsoft Azure reservation of legacy Azure subscriptions, is this file. After you have downloaded these files, please navigate to your BSS and go to the Tools section in the BSS Setup area. The first pricing import tool is the one called Update Product Prices and is used for updating the prices of license-based services. The file that you have downloaded from the Partner Center for Office 365 licenses is this one here, where it has a tab per currency. Here, you see the list price column and the ERP price column that Microsoft has per offering. By going back to the tool, you will need to upload this file, as shown here. After you upload it, you need initially to select for which Microsoft Cloud Service instance this update is for. Then, you must select the Excel sheet that has the prices in the currency you wish, let's say, for the euro. In this next field, let's say that you want to update the euro prices in a system. Afterwards, you need to define the three following columns related to the Excel, that is the offer ID, the list price, and the ERP price. Usually, these columns are respectively the E column, the J column and the K column. It is always a good practice to check them before running the update, because at some point Microsoft might change the layout of this spreadsheet. By pressing the Read Pricing button, the system will parse the Excel file and will check for inconsistencies between the prices that you already have for the offerings in your BSS against the prices that are in the Excel file. For example, for this product here, you can see that these are the old prices and these are the new prices from the Excel. Concerning the list with the products, please note the following. Under the status column, there are three main statuses, namely the found price change, and the product not found. The first status, named Found, means that the product is found and there are no price changes. The second status, named Found Price Change, means that a change in pricing has been found between the BSS and the Excel file for that product. The third status, named Product Not Found, means that by already assuming that you have executed the Get Services definition process for that instance, this product is not available to you due to the countries that you have configured within the chosen instance. Furthermore, when you see a record with 0 values under the BSS columns, this means that this product has never been previously updated via the Price Importer tool. Once the import process is initialized, the BSS column prices will be updated accordingly. Last but not least, when you see a record with non-existing values under the BSS columns, this means that this product doesn't have as active the currency that you have chosen from the tool's fields, and as a result, when the import process is initialized, the chosen currency will become active, and it will also be updated with the Excel prices. All these products within the list are the ones that will be updated by this action, and then you can proceed with the update by just clicking on the Import Prices button. Now, the system will start updating the prices. As you can understand, the purchase prices field of the tool relates to the list prices column of the Excel file, and the sell prices field of the tool relates to the ERP prices column of the Excel file. That last example concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.